we've made the important decision to move Content Marketing World 2020 fully online. And we're looking forward to bringing an amazing experience directly to you.
You bet. The Content Marketing Institute team is going to make sure that CMWorld 2020 has the same fantastic, entertaining content, inspirational speakers, and practical learning that you've come to expect over the last 10 years.
Yes, great speakers, great sessions.
And a new kind of networking on a robust virtual platform.
All wrapped in an exciting digital format.
Stay tuned for great content before the main event and throughout the rest of the year.
And while we can't actually wrap our arms around you, which is really hard for us,
or take some pretty awesome selfies, or connect over coffee,
we are still looking forward to virtual high fives, cocktails, and cheers.
And to laughing so hard we cry.
We're working super hard to infuse our CMWorld 2020 digital event with as much fun, personality, and of course great content you've come to expect from us. Join us for Content Marketing World 2020 for a one-of-a-kind experience online.